Hello, David here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today I'm on this gorgeous 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 230. You can see the royal blue on the exterior with the white accent, complemented by a white 300 Mercury Verado on the aft, power tower above my head. The blue on the exterior carries through to the blue on the interior. You can see the accent color on the seats. We have dual captain's chair with a single lounger. This boat is loaded with just about every accessory. I have dual screens in front of me, a raised helm, in-floor storage, tower speakers, an absolutely gorgeous loaded up boat. It's available here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Come on down and take a look.